Hi guys, Hassan here. Apple has announced a new iPhone outside the month of September for the first time since 2016 and outside Anthem for the second time in a decade. It is a very big deal. It's the new iPhone SE 2 or maybe the iPhone SE second generation. Apple's popular first gen iPhone SE was discontinued in September 2018 and fans of small affordable handset have been asking for a replacement ever since. At long last, they have got it. Although it isn't quite as small this time around, let's take a look at its design. The new iPhone SE 2 takes the design cue from the iPhone 8, but they move the Apple logo in the center so they match as the iPhone 11 series. It's only a single camera runs on the rear and it keeps the home button, so you still got the Touch ID rather than Face ID. Now let's talk about the new iPhone SE 2 specs and new features. Don't expect envelope pushing specs and features at this price, but this is still a solid offer. Here's the specs. The iPhone SE 2 got A13 Bionic processor, 64GB, 128GB, 256GB of storage. It have 4.7 inches 1334 by 750 resolution at 326 ppi display, 12 megapixels of rear facing camera with flash and portrait mode. It also includes 4K video recording and 7 megapixels of front facing camera with portrait mode. IP67 water and dust resistance and weight about 148 grams heavy. The standout inclusion, there is clearly the A13 Bionic chip, which is the state of art in Apple land and matches the iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Pro. Although it may be meshed here with less RAM, something that Apple doesn't announce. The added power of A13's neural engine should enable the seemingly unimpressive camera setup to produce the excellent shots. The 256GB of storage option is also new. However, the iPhone 8 was available in 64 and 128 flavors only. Now let's take a look at its price factor. The new iPhone SE 2 starts with the price of $399 in the US. Yeah, that exchange rate bites just a bit. Here's the price of other variants. The iPhone SE 64GB will cost $399. The iPhone SE 128GB will cost $449. And the iPhone SE 256GB will cost $549. The new iPhone SE 2 was announced on 15th April 2020 and you will be able to pre-order the new iPhone SE from Friday 17th April and it will be available in the shops from Friday 24 April. So what's your feedback? Are you going to buy it or just go for another better option? Make us know in the comment section. Also, like the video and make sure to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Take care.